Welcome to Smart Tech and Biz. So, here we are again. It is March 3rd, 2026, and it is time to look back at what Microsoft dropped for its Copilot users in February. This is not one of those massive, groundbreaking updates with a single killer feature that changes everything overnight. Instead, what we got is a collection of a dozen or so smaller quality-of-life improvements. Think of it less like a brand new phone, and more like a significant software update that polishes the experience you already have. These changes are all about making Copilot work a little smarter, a little faster in a few more places than it did before. It is the kind of update that might not make headlines, but you will definitely feel its effects in your day-to-day workflow. So, let's get into it. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty features, there is a quick but important announcement to cover. Microsoft has officially launched the Microsoft Agent 365 blog and an accompanying discussion space. Now, this might sound like just another corporate blog, and in some ways, it is. But its focus is what makes it interesting. It is a dedicated space for everything related to the growing world of AI agents within the Microsoft ecosystem. Because as Copilot gets more powerful, it is also getting more complex. We are moving beyond simple prompts and into a realm where you can build custom agents to do very specific jobs. This new blog is designed to be the official source of truth for that. It is where Microsoft will share the latest news on agent capabilities, best practices, and guidance on security and governance. For developers, IT admins, this is going to be an essential resource. The blog promises to cover three key areas: security, observability, governance. By creating a dedicated space, Microsoft is acknowledging that agents are not just a feature, they are a platform in their own right. Bookmark it. Before, you had to take the whole answer or nothing. Now you can highlight a sentence or paragraph. An Ask Copilot button pops up. Drill down on just that part. Follow-ups become faster and more precise. New widgets for your home screen and lock screen on iOS and Android. New action button on iOS. Tap to open a chat, start a voice conversation, or attach a photo. Less friction. Get to Copilot instantly. Feels like a built-in phone utility. Upload a brand guidelines document. It extracts official colors, fonts, and logo styles. Ask it to make a presentation or a document, and it applies your brand automatically. Saves manual work and keeps things consistent. Big help for marketing teams. Copilot can search content inside files attached to emails. Works in Outlook search. Works in SharePoint search. Now search keywords inside the document. Finds files even if buried in old attachments. This is one of those, how did we live without this? Features that you will start using immediately. One of the biggest challenges with any AI chatbot is making sure it has the right context. In work mode, type // to include a SharePoint site or list. Stay in Copilot chat and say, Project Tasks List, show me all the tasks assigned to me that are overdue. Copilot will use only that specific list to answer. Less general knowledge engine, more data-aware work assistant. When an email is open, Copilot can ground to that email, even without a full Copilot license. Highlight part of the email, and Copilot focuses on that selection. See search results and your chat pane at the same time. Summarize the top documents, compare to, or pull out specific data points. It eliminates back and forth between tools, creating a more integrated research experience. These grounding improvements start rolling out in March. Answers get more accurate because the context is explicitly set. Microsoft is going all in on specialized AIs that can perform complex multi-step tasks. The big news, Project Manager Agent. It consolidates Planner, Azure DevOps, and untracked tasks. It pulls tasks into one place and helps you plan and coordinate work. Public preview in March. Rolling out worldwide in April. Create agents in OneDrive grounded on chosen files and folders. It answers based solely on that content like a teammate who has read everything. Agents can call other agents as tools to coordinate on complex tasks. Agents in Teams communities draft suggested responses using past discussions and SharePoint sites. Copilot proactively recommends relevant agents based on your context. Copilot is agentic in PowerPoint on the web. Generate, refine, and brand-align slides via conversation. In Word, Copilot now edits documents by default with fully reviewable changes. All signs point to more autonomous, helpful AI partners integrated deeply into work. Meeting recaps in Teams now include key screenshots alongside summaries, much easier to reconnect to what was presented. Choose speaker summary, executive summary, or design your own structure for consistent, useful notes. Copilot in Teams meetings now analyzes chat, transcripts, and calendar for smarter recaps. Copilot recommends time slots that maximize availability and explains why, respecting working hours and time zones. Click Schedule with Copilot to find times, draft agendas, book rooms end-to-end in one flow. Classic Outlook gains real-time insights and relevant docs for deeper meeting preparation. You can now ask Copilot about your meeting time and get categorized breakdowns. See categories and month-over-month trends to make more intentional scheduling decisions. It is all about giving you the data you need to work smarter, not just harder. From recap clarity to effortless scheduling to personal analytics meetings, finally feel manageable. The Copilot dashboard adds a power user report classifying power, habitual and novice users to target enablement. Intelligent summaries surface adoption trends and suggested prompts for deeper exploration. A new readiness page organizes deployment essentials, data security, and user experience with progress tracking. Users can include a business justification when requesting a license, speeding approvals, and aiding governance. Admins can enable AI-powered skill updates for accurate profiles via Microsoft Graph activity. Federated Copilot connectors let users authenticate to live data like Canva, HubSpot, Notion, Google Contacts, and Calendar. A connector usage report provides daily trends, response counts, and engagement insights. Admins can see all agents with risks, sources, and activity in one place. Microsoft Defender provides a risk-based inventory, posture, and hunting. Agent activity is logged for investigation. This gives security teams visibility and control to confidently allow powerful AI agents across the organization. This is not a revolutionary leap forward, it is an evolutionary one. These updates reflect a significant maturation of Microsoft 365 Copilot, past the wow factor, focused on practical, reliable, secure. Features like text selection, SharePoint grounding, and smarter recaps remove friction. Over a week, these small time savers add up to hours you can spend on real work. Agents expand into OneDrive and project management, pointing to more complex delegation. Dashboards, reporting and controls bring needed governance. Security guardrails in Defender make AI safe for enterprise work. If you are already using Copilot, you will find a lot to like. If you are on the fence, the practicality and security might win you over. And keep an eye on the new Microsoft Agent 365 blog where the roadmap is being written. It is another solid step forward in the evolution of AI at work, and that is definitely worth talking about.